Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In our video here, we are going to take a look at the sinuses. And this is the model that we have, which shows the different sinuses that we are going to identify. We're looking at the model from an anterior view right now, but because it's making it a little bit difficult with that clear plastic to really see the sinuses, I'm going to go ahead and actually turn it to a posterior view, and that way we can, see them a little bit better. First, though, let me point out each of the sinuses in this anterior view, and then I'll go ahead and switch for us. So these sinuses here associated with the frontal bone are going to be the frontal sinuses. And then we can see this greenish colored sinus on either side, and that's associated with the ethmoid bone. So it's going to be the ethmoid sinus. And then down here on each side, we have this sinus, and they've used kind of this pinkish color to represent it, and that is going to be the maxillary sinus. We also have the sphenoidal sinus, which is going to be the bluish colored sinus, but it's very difficult to see in this view. Let me go ahead and flip the model around. If I turn the model around, it makes it a lot easier. Again, we have our frontal sinuses, we have our ethmoid sinuses, we can now see our sphenoid sinus, and then we have our maxillary sinuses.